Okay, this is my Valentine's Day gingerbread house, and I'm just going to walk around it so you can see the different decorations. My daughter-in-law, and I were going to make gingerbread houses for Christmas, but we ran out of time, so we decided to just go ahead and do it for Valentine's Day, because people like gingerbread no matter what time of the year it is, and we could have fun. So we just spent a girls' day decorating, and I made some white and red frosting for the roof, and I'll go in close so you can see that. And then I used licorice. So this is just buttercream frosting that I made, some homemade white and red, and then we just piped it. And then we used confectioner's hearts, or conversation hearts, and licorice whips for the fire, and some candy corn that was pink and red and white rather than Halloween colors. And we used some red hearts to make decorations, and some peppermint candies and starbursts. And we just piped around, and then on different sides we did different decorations. You can see the cinnamon hearts here with the conversation hearts. And anyway, that's just what we spent our day doing, and I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoyed it.